Hello everyone. Welcome on the stream. I would say a long time no see. We're back. We're back with Steam Tales, with developing Steam Tales. I think today I will focus on notes. I want to finish my library. This is big words, but generally I want to finish uh, my cutting off this library to a different package to make it easier to work further with nodes. Okay, I was in a process of doing that. I'm not sure where I was. Let me quickly dig deeper. Okay. So basically, what happened? Do I have some notes? Oh, they are here. So I've got my step. Okay, so I have to simply make this very universal to work properly with everything. I think I will move those I would say our chairs on for events. Yeah, much better. So I prepared it, but I have to do it better. Let me rename this class, this file basically. So I've got my dialog main file editor. Let me rename it to base node editor. Okay. And here I've got my factory that contains. So basically, what this code does, it lets me to add it from UI as normal components to different views, because this is UI toolkit basically. Okay, so I've got my prefab. I think I don't need this. Do I need editor window? I'm not sure. Yeah, I think I need my editor window basically. Or do I or do I not? Let me simply comment it out. If it will be needed in the future, I would simply add it. Okay, so those are constructors. Those are. Do I need it? I think I don't need this and I don't need this. So just simple constructor would be enough. This one is very unnecessary. So let me wait. No. Okay, so one common method is this create main file inspector. What it does, basically, it's loading my asset. It's cloning a tree. So this is cloning a visual tree of this node editor. Okay, it's creating. It's getting a parent for speakers. Okay, and those are specific for my dialog editor, so I don't need it here. But this one loads my all my visuals. So should I use it here or no? I think I don't need it here. Those can be specified in somewhere else. So basically those add speaker, add speaker, remove speaker, and so on are also very very specific for dialogues. Okay, those two methods also. Do I have to do it? Wait. I have to prepare flow because those nodes should communicate with those editors. Okay. So okay, those let's create this now. Let's rename this for base node. Let's make it sure that it has proper name. So okay, I've got my static minimal size of nodes. I can change it. I think I'm able to do it in an inheritance class. This magic padding value should be untouched, should be left untouched. Okay, so I've got my on position chain and on destroyed. Data is invalid here. I've got my rect, I got my position. Oh, I should prepare something like node data to contain information only about nodes. I mean, not only about nodes. Basically, I mean something to contain all data to recreate nodes. So basically, there's position and so on, so on. Let's create maybe Unity script that will be serializable object. Now, let's create it. Let's do it simply. It will be simple class that is base node data. Okay. And thanks to that, I can simply move this node position. Okay, I don't have it here. I have it in dialog step data, so dialog step data. Wait, where is it? Why you are telling me that there's no such class? Is it because I am in a different solution? That would be quite stupid. I've almost made the worst segue talking about stupid. But no, welcome, Michael.
Hello there.
I've heard your silent static noise from your microphone.
Oh no.
Yeah, I'm now I'm fighting with splitting base nodes to library and creating this working node. So this is my task for today. Where was it? Oh. Oh. Oh, I don't have those nodes on this branch. This is why I don't have this class. Okay. That makes sense. So basically, this should be vector2. There is no node position. So let me create public vector2 that will be called position. Okay, so it's basically for now get set. If I will need some events, I can simply create private serialized fields to contain this data. Of course, I can simply add serializable here and add my field serialized field here, and yeah, it will it will force it to work with nodes. So basically, here I have to. Oh, thank you very much. Spanuszku, Duzyn. I wrote to my girlfriend few seconds after starting of after start of this stream. Could you bring me something to drink? Maybe some water with juice. And she bring me in a very small glass. But basically on the stream, I'm usually drinking about 2 liters of water or anything to talk for this whole time. And this small glass would be very quickly will very quickly disappear. Okay, so I have to contain my data. I can do it like that. So I can make it get only. Here I can go with base node data. And thanks to that, I can make this constructor force it to use base node data to write it, and as long as this setting value is in a constructor, you can have only get. So this is how C# works. Okay, so I've got my protected rect. That should stay. I've got my manipulator resizer. I can leave it here. And this window, that's something I'm not sure. Should it be here? I think I don't need it for now. So let me drop it, remove it from code. Okay, and we will see what we have to use later. So basically, here's my position. Okay, I've got my adjust rect. I've got my unresized. Oh, but I'm never calling this unresized. That's not good. We'll think about it later. So basically, my position is my position, and my title. Are you joking? Thank you very much. This is what I call a sip of water. So, coming back to my data, I have to expose another field that will be type of string, and let's call it name. Okay, it also contains get and set that are both public. And here I can go with data.name to set title. Do I have title? No, I don't have title. That is not virtual. Oh. So virtual member chord in constructor. Do I have some method that can set title? No. Okay. Let me dig deeper here into node. Oh, so here I've got my title container. So basically, I'm setting title container. Do I have only title here? Okay, so where is it? It's here. It's override of string. Okay, let's leave it like that. I don't want to fight with it. And toggle collapse is also called from constructor. Who cares? Okay, so I got my rect. Okay, it's hiding. No, not a problem. And so here I've got my base node editor. Okay. So my question is, where are my where are my nodes for that? So I have to. Oh no. Oh no, I forgot my source tree is not working. So I have to somehow fight with Git. Oh, I can do it from here. Okay, but this won't work properly from for my sub repository. I really don't like it. So basically, I'm on a branch inventory system. Where am I? Where am I exactly? Where am I exactly? Wait, is it here? No, is it? So this branch. Okay, so basically I am here. But why I am here? I don't want to just change branch because I'm not sure what will happen. Okay, so I've got my wait. Why am I not here? Let me check my branch. Let's go to NPCs and dialog. Here, checkout. Okay. Smart checkout. Can I? What happened? Wait, what did I just done? Checkout. Oh, so those two files, those can be overwritten. So I can simply roll back those changes. Okay. Wait. Delete. Oh, I can do it. Okay. That's good. And now I can wait. No creation of new branch. I want to check out this branch. Okay. And I'm here. Good. Okay. So I can start working on system. I should let Unity to recompile and collect all new files that changed. Okay. Let's clear it up and let's go. Okay, so here I should have some dialogues. Great, I've got them. And here is my dialog data. So basically, oh, I should have my dialog step. That is node position. So first things first, I have to change it for dialog. Sorry, not dialog data. A base node data. Node data. It can be named like that. Why this? Okay, so protected is something that I have to change here. I don't know what happened, but basically it started to, Rider started to force me to rename every non-private but also protected fields to camel case, not sorry, to Pascal case, not camel case. Oh, let me catch this lemon, and let's go back to the code. Okay, so here I've got my dialogues. I don't want to move any file. Okay, so, see you soon. I don't want to move any file. What is wrong with you? So this is my dialog step. Okay. Where is dialog step? Oh, I simply removed this. Okay. Okay. I would say that's good. So can I use my base node? I can't. Why? Because oh, why this assembly definition is missing? I don't like it. Neck nodes. Okay, so it's here. Let's save it. Let's get back. And now it. Wait. Oh, I didn't press apply. Okay, so now I can simply. I don't know, but it's. No. Why is it in editor? Oh, this namespace is very poorly named. It should be. It should be moved to neg dot nodes. Okay. Now I can simply go here to my nodes. Okay. Okay, so now I can use using proper namespace. Okay, so I've got my base node, and here I have to simply go to data dot node data. Okay. Oh, you don't have this editor window, but I have to store it. So simply let's go with private editor window. That is editor window. Sorry, dialogues editor window. So let's make it properly. Let's name it properly. And here I can go with the dialogues editor window that equals to editor window. Okay, it's working. That's good. I like it. So I can go further from here. So everything is all right. What is that working now? I think I can simply delete these AI behaviors now, and I can go with views. So I've got my dialog inspector view. Oh no, 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 no. What I've done? I think I've deleted, I deleted, no, I didn't delete, I just commented it out. I'm thinking if this node editor should be somehow connected. I think all changes done in this file can be reversed. So let me roll back this file, this libraries. Oh, it's not here. Okay, that's something I don't like. Okay, so I've got an idea. I've got an idea what can I do, and I will do it quickly. So this is dialog graph view. This whole graph view. This one can be moved to my library, but not this one, not this editor. So I have to go to my repository. That was called, that was here. Okay, let me simply fill my data. Okay, so I can go to Steamtails. Okay, and can I get my wait, it's wrong branch. Should be here. Okay, so let's go to assets. It was in a scripts, editor, dialogues. What's dialogues editor window, right? I'm very, I've done goofed. Oh no, I think I removed items that were not on a repository. Oh no, I think I've simply, yes, I've removed them. No, no, no. Control Z, please. Yes, yes.
Oh, you're lucky.
I'm very lucky. Oh, oh no. That was stressful. And as someone who's always talking, always use repository, save your files there. I've almost lost whole file with a lot of code. That's not good. I should never done it again. So This is dialog editor window. Okay. Can I? No, I don't want. How was it called? I don't remember. It was dialog main file editor. Yeah, that was the name. So I can simply create here a class that is called dialog main file editor. Okay, I can copy paste this whole class. Wait. Oh, it was in a view part. Okay, I can move it here, not a problem. And let me simply rename this to my dialog file editor. Okay. Let's make it much prettier. And now it's good. Okay, now we're talking. So I've got my speaker node that is using this data. Okay, this is very specific for this dialog, so I don't have to move it. This is inspector view. I think I can do it better. I will do it better. And this is my whole editor window. So this whole editor window, I think can be moved. So what does it contains? So it basically contains a lot of code that's okay. So I've got an idea. Let me quickly here create nodes nodes editor base window. Okay, I can split my screen to make it much easier. Let me copy all this code. Okay, and let's just cut out everything that is unnecessary here. So I want you to inherit after this editor window. Okay, but I want you to inherit after. I want to make it neck. No, it's okay. And you should inherit after this one. Import missings, and let's go deeper. Let me. Okay, so here I'm missing type of system action. Okay, so on current data change, is it specific for? No, I think it's not specific for whole nodes. Okay, so I can remove it from here. Okay, mean window width is high. I can leave untouched. I don't have to change it. Okay, so Michael, I've got a question. So basically, I've got some things like those calls that can be statics or something. But basically, I want to have an option to change those cons, those values from inheriting class. Do you have an idea how can I do it easily?
Okay, so you have private cons and you want to basically override them. Yes.
So I have to make them cons and override them.
Yeah, that was like I'm trying to understand what you're trying to do. So
Simply, for example, here, I want to uh, look for dialogues editor style sheet. Basically, I want to do something like that. I want to have, I will leave cons for now, but I think it's not a good idea. That is string, let's call it style sheet name. Okay. That is, for example, okay. And I want to use it here. So I'm using it here. Okay. But I want to have an option to simply change this cause, this value from this inheriting window to make it to force it to use this other style sheet.
oh, and when you're defining another private cons, then it's not doing that. Yes, it's using the value from the
I
base
don't know.
class.
I don't have any. I'm just asking you how to do it.
I mean, just try it, I guess.
So you telling me to do private override?
No, I mean that was just a wild guess. I have no idea whether or not, you probably cannot use the word override here. So just create private const string style sheet name without e.
Yeah. Okay. Name. Okay.
And hopefully this would work. I mean the I mean
That's
in the overriding class. I mean inheriting.
so. Let me rename this quickly to maybe.
Wait, why are you trying to rename it?
Because, for example, I'm preparing other window that I want to use other layouts or other style sheets to style in a different way, and and I don't want to override those statics methods.
Ah, okay, fair enough. I mean, I would personally just try if this is working before before making, everything reliant on it. Yes, what are other options? Only other options that I can think of are no, that wouldn't work either. Mm.
Uh, yeah, using static won't be good here, I think.
Wait, am I missing chat history?
No, I think no
Okay,
one wrote
I
from.
see. Uh, okay, I guess so. Hmm.
Yeah, that's interesting.
That's tricky.
Okay, so let's start from Google. C sharp override
I
const.
mean, my best guess is that you could use some static methods that they could override or something like that.
Oh, so I can. Oh, that's a big brain time.
Oh yeah, or method or property, yeah. The
How
same
I
thing
couldn't thought
actually.
about it. It's basically everything what I need. So I'm making protected. That will be protected virtual static string style sheet name that has only get. Okay. Wait. Oh, yeah, right. Oh, no. Where I'm using it? I'm using it from. Other places. Yeah, I'm using it from other places. No. That's. Wait. I can simply force you to use static for this editor style path. I don't have to make it overridable. I want to make overridable only layout. That will be good enough for now. If it's if in the future I will need something else, I will simply come back here and change it. Okay, so it will be public, not static, but just public string. And yeah, it works now. Okay, so I've got my layout paths. This is my current data. So where is it? Where is it used? Oh, I think I can do it like that. So I can make it template to with T. Okay. I can expose here. I can expose this action, this public event action on the current data chains. Thanks to that, I can make it like that. This current data, and my current data is here. Okay. Grab view, I will work on it later. Yeah, I will work on it later. So open editor. So I want to get my editor, that is dialogues editor window. Wait, is it? Yeah, it's this one. So I want to get a window of type will it work if I no, I have to go with this type. So can I go with get this? Wait, get type. So it's basically get type can go with okay. Can I go? Wait, this is static. So I can use this. It's I can I'm not able to do it like that. I have to force everyone to do it, but this method I can expose, so it'll be protected void setup window that only is requiring this window type of this window is what is it? Oh, so it's my type. So basically of type a window. Okay. And it will go with this like window that's I go with protected static. Mhm. Okay, and I can go with it like that. Okay, simply like that. What is wrong now? Oh, wait. I've imported wrong uh, wrong namespace. I want to use using Unity engine, not this numeric type. Okay. Um. So here, what is wrong with you now? Where do you have a problem? What is your type? Oh, I've used system numeric. No. Okay, so I'm here. I want to remove this one. And here I want to go with setup window. Okay, that's good. That's working. Here I want to make this type of dialog data. Wait me for a moment. Sorry for that. I'm back. Okay. I have to start writing contacts to my phone book because basically I receive a lot of calls from unknown numbers and I'm not sure where are they from. And then I'm like, should I answer this phone or no? Is it something important? Who is calling? And I have to sit one day and write everything down. Yeah, basically, it's very creepy sometimes. Okay, I can remove my data. I can remove those one. I can remove this one. Okay. So all open assets as. Oh no! So this is object, and here I can uh, give more info where it was. Yeah, where T is type of object in Unity engine. Now it's working. I like it. Mm, oh, I don't like it. Now open editor is not working. No. That's not good. This is why working with tools, creating tools from scratch, can be very painful. Okay, so I have to somehow contact with this open method. So this has to be static callback. Okay, that's uh, that's for sure. I have a question, Michael. Can you?
Yes.
I would say from as we have in a Polish. Can you throw an eye on my code? Basically, in Poland, when you want to ask someone, can you look on this?
Take a look. Yeah.
We have this phrase. Can you throw an eye on this? So basically, I have this very strange problem. I've got my class that has template type. This type tells me what type of asset it is used for this. So I've got my current data here. Okay, I've got method that is static open editor. Basically, it's menu item, so it's shown in a tools bar. And here I'm just opening window. But here, back in my base class, I've got my method on open asset that should call this method. How to do it?
Oh, and it's static.
Yeah.
Static. That's neat. Oh.
That's my whole problem.
Mm.
I think the music is a bit loud. I can't go. I can go in white, but I can go. No, I can't go with your volume up because basically you are on a 200% now.
I'm in charge now. Hmm. No, I don't think we have. I don't really think you can do this way. I think that open asset on open assets needs to be in the inheriting classes for the same reason menu item needs to be. Because you cannot call other static methods in the inheriting class uh, because
Okay.
from the scope of the parent class you don't see your inheritors and you don't have instance to use virtual methods.
Okay.
That's the main problem.
It's not so we have to stick with it.
You
We can do
can
it.
I think you can I mean the most you could do is to create methods similar to on asset open that takes delegate as one of parameters, and then the implementation in the inheriting class could be simplified. So you would basically just specify the attribute on open asset, write function signature, and then call the method static method from the parent class,
Okay.
and pass open editor as an argument, so it could be called from the base class.
Okay. I think I'll just leave it like that. It's not. To be honest, it's not crucial, and basically, I'm think I will be the only one who is writing this code, and I
We'll
think
see about that.
yeah, but if you will dig here, I think you will simply uh, remove everything or change everything you want. So this code wouldn't stay in this state for a long time. Okay. Mm, So I've got my graph view. Okay. And this is dialogues graph view. What is dialogues graph view? This one. This can be, yeah, this can be used as this can be simplified. This can be cut to my library. And this inspector of view, I think, also can be here. Yeah. Okay. Mm, so, and about that, no, not everything is working. Yeah, no, sorry, everything is working. Here I've got my Google Mini app. That okay. Let's go here. Let's go with creating. Let's start with creating a new class that is graph base graph view. Okay, and this base graph view should be here everywhere. Okay, of course in neck nodes. Okay, so it's working correctly, and let me go with it like that. So I'm inheriting after graph view. Okay, let's copy that, paste it here, and let's clean it up from every error. Sorry. Okay. Why you're not working? So I have to. Oh, of course. Let's format it. Import missing of reference type. Okay, so my editor window. I have to go with nodes. Base window. Okay. So I've got my mapping that is node to data. That's something I'm not very proud of. So, but wait, I can do it. This dialog step is basically my base node, right? My base node, and it's a data. Is it base node? Simply base node data. We'll see in a moment. Okay, so I've got my. Let's start here. Why do I need this editor window? For what? I think for nothing. So see ya. Okay. So current dialog data. Okay, that's something I should have. Wait, I can do it like that. So I can go with T, and this current dialog data is simply T. Okay. So thanks to that, I can go with it like that. Okay. Of course, where T inherits after object from Unity engine, not a problem. So I want to get my editor style path. Okay, init, simply init has to contain this window that is wrote here. Update, I don't know what update is into. Okay, populate view. So I'm taking data, current data, not current dialog data, current data. Okay, so here I've got my data, and this is type of T. So I'm clearing view. I'm setting current data to data, and I have to export nodes somehow, and but here this create step view is basically should be overrideable. Okay, so this is my dialog step data. I have an idea how to do it. So T is my data, my whole data, so basically dialog data and so on. I can create interface to expose a list of nodes for that. Okay, so here let me create interface that will be called not the steps data. Let's forget about dialogs for now. That will be node maybe node file data, maybe inode file. Oh, that's something I like. And basically I have to expose public. Let's go with a list of type node data, base node data, sure, nodes. Okay, that is interface I called that. And what's wrong with you? Oh, I have to go with get. Okay, now talking. So I've got my T, but here I have to add that it's also after inode file. Okay, so here I'm sure that I've in a T. Wait, in data that nodes, right? Oli, hello, hi, welcome on the stream. So I want to create node view, node data. Okay, I want to create my node view, and this one is where whole fun is starting. I want to make it protected. Of course, virtual void. Here I want to have data that will be base node data. Node data. Okay. And here for my mapping. Okay, I'm adding everything. So here, based on type of the step, I was preparing different parts, different datas. Well, English. On a Friday and Saturday we're streaming in English. We are and we are working on the Steam Tales game. We only on Mondays we're streaming in Polish, and where we are having fun with Unity and other things. So this I can remove. But what is dialog step? Oh. So I need this node to be here. My mapping needs a base node. So I can create, oh, that's good. This will be abstract class. Not a problem. This XML factory won't work. Not a problem. Here, this will be left as create step view. But here, I want to get my node data, okay? And I want to create my protected abstract, of course, abstract virtual method, type of node data, okay? Create node node view, okay? This will be create, simply this will be create the view, okay? This will be called create node view with passing this place node data, okay? Okay, so it's only abstract. And here I'm going with create node data, passing node data. Let's go with data simply. Okay, and here I'm adding these elements. No, that's not good. This should be base node. Yeah, create node. So basically create node. Let's rename it to node. I told node, okay. And now here I'm calling create view, passing this node data. Okay, I'm populating whole view. And this one should be written there, okay. And this create step, okay. So I'm receiving type. Okay. So I'm getting here what I'm doing here. So I'm going with if state add dialog step. Okay, I know what is it. It's this contextual menu to create nodes. Let's go with create node. Simply, this type, of course, should be from system type. Basically, if my current data, so basically, if it's not set, it's null. I don't want to do anything. And here, to my current data, I want to go with add nodes. Okay. I have to add to my node file method public public void add node, type, of course, type. Okay. This one is from system type. Sure. Wait, it's not creating anything. Wait, so it should be not it shouldn't be at node. It should be create node data. Okay. Where is it? Here? Okay, and it should return base node data. Okay. Here I want to go with position. Okay, position. Let's rename it to data simply. Okay, and now I'm going with create view. This create build context menu shouldn't be here. Should it be or shouldn't? I will leave it here with that, but this if those things that are in if should be in inheriting class. So here on graph view changed. So basically, if something is changed, so my graph element this is base node. Yeah. Wait. Pattern matching. What are you talking? Okay. Okay, so basically it's whole removing adding nodes. That's not a problem. So I've got my mapping. I've got my constructor. I've got my clean view. So okay, so clean view should only go with current data is equal to null. Okay, so base graph view should be here. So basically you want to inherit after base graph view with dialog data. But to do it, it has to inherit after inode file. Okay. I know that this is not implemented. I will implement it in a moment. Okay. So, dish. Okay, let's close it to make it more readable. Those things can be removed. Is it anything here in a constructor? No, there is nothing. So simply I can remove it. Okay. Init, of course. Populate view. No. Clear view. No need. This whole no need for it. So okay. Build contextual menu. I want to start from base. Okay. So if this is target, of course. I'm adding everything that's inheriting. That's great. Create step is unnecessary, but I have to implement this method. This create node. And this create node is basically this switch. So yeah, This one is not needed. This one also is not needed. Why you all are screaming on me? What's your problem? Oh, you don't have access to it. Of course. Of course. Alex, let's call it nodes editor win. Let's go like that. So it will be nodes editor window, but nodes editor window without base. Cool. I like it. And here I'm. Should I call create step? No, I should call protected, of course. This should be protected. And I should call create node. Okay. Now what's that work? You cannot convert speaker parts nodes to dialog step. Wait. And return dialog step. Okay. Now what are talking? So let's start with that. My speaker part node should be okay. It's dialog editor window. Oh, yeah, right. Maybe a bit cheesy, but who cares? It should work. So what is your problem now? An expression of type neck node base node data. Okay, so I see. I think I should go with it like that. So I can go with field, serialize field. And can I go with serialize reference? It will be public object data. Okay, I'm gonna get set. Here, let's go with. Let's not touch. Let's stop. Let me leave it like that. Let me leave it like with set. Okay, and I want to go with data. Okay, now it's working as intended. Okay, I've got my graph view. Okay, code is cleaned. So basically I have to wait. Why you now? Yeah, right. Type should be the same. Oh, yeah, right. I have to make those same. So it should be object and also inode file. Okay. What? Wait. Those T, though this T type is the same. Mm. Yeah, this was this. Okay. So now this inspector view, I will do in a moment. I can now simply implement methods that are needed. So implement missing members, of course. So my nodes and my create nodes data. Okay, basically those nodes can be left here. Who cares? To be honest. So I've got my dialog steps. Okay. And every one of this contains this base node data. Mm-hmm. I can do it like that. This creates can be left here. So I'm here returning data.node data. I'm creating instance and I'm then writing it as a step. And those nodes are only necessary for editor. So basically, I can go with private list of this type. Node, of course. Wait, it's only editor. So I can go through my steps list. Wait, this is Linku. Link, and I can't do it. Was it aggregate? Michael, you will know. Basically, I have a list of type dialog step data and this type contains field base node data, and I want to convert this list to list of those properties, those node data. So, how to do it? Was it aggregate?
You want to convert one list type to another? Yes.
Basically, take one field from every item from list and create from this new list.
Select.
Select. Okay.
Yes.
So I'm going with steps dot select. Okay. And here I'm going with
And
X.
then you just specify the mapping function.
Like,
and convert to array, to array at the end. To list, sorry, to list, because you want list.
okay, thanks you very much. That helps a lot. Basically, I thought about caching or something like that, but if it's only used on the populate view, so basically when you're opening for the first time, it's not worth it's not worth to do it with cash or something like that. Okay, so I've got my create data. Mm, That should work. Okay. Mm, so basically, oh, oh, you've got some problems here. Wait, I can simply remove those those items, right? Uh, yeah, I will just clean it after finishing with inspector. Mm, give me 1 minute. I have to go to the toilet. So, if Mike, if you want, you can have fun.
It's funny you say. Without the screen space? Yeah, that's gonna be hard. And why is he still not using the data bindings for UI toolkit? Ah,
I'm not using because I'm too lazy.
you realize that it's like extremely easy to use. Like you just you just add the package.
Exactly. You have to add the package. That's the whole point. You have to do a lot of work to just add the package.
Oh no.
What's why are you so down?
Hmm. Let me think.
Okay, back to work in this state. So I've created mm, my view. Okay, so I have to add uh, nodes editor in inspector. Okay, and thanks to that, I can simply start from inspector view, and this inspector view will be much more developed in the future. Will be much bigger, but for now, I want to simply go with it like this, like that. Of course, leg. nodes. I don't want to use UX this factory. I want this here. Okay. Mm, So basically, I have to start with. Can I have multiple templates types?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so that's good. So I will go with protected nodes editor base window like this, and with editor window. Okay. It was here. Yeah. T. It's like that. Sure. Where the object, of course, object from system object. Wait, no. From Unity engine object. Okay, I've got my editor window. Simply, so I have to create this public int init. Sorry, not int. Of course, type of void. I forgot about it. And here I have to get my editor window. Okay, window. Okay, so I have to prepare editor window, set it to window, and if I get guess incorrectly, I want to add. I will start with one, so it will be. How to call it? Can I call it? Can I use bigger names? I think I can.
What do you mean bigger names?
So basically, can I use here file editor type?
I mean, why not?
I don't know. I'm asking you. This is first time
I
when
mean,
I'm
you can specify multiple generic arguments.
okay. So I'm going with new. I built a file editor passing window. Okay. Of course. Uh, Bandabura. Hello. Uh, hello. Welcome on the stream. I would say long time no see after my journeys to Poznan for Pyrcon. Oh, I no, was I had one stream after Pyrcon. Yeah, I was talking about. Okay. Oh no, my ears. Sometimes I've got those strange days when I think my ear can't stay very. It's not staying good uh, in my mm, in my uh, please work brain work in my headphones. So it hurts a lot after a few hours in those. Wait, I can do it better. I don't need it. I can. Yeah, I had one prelection. I spoke about how to start your journey in game dev. Basic title was I have an idea for next Genshin. What next? And I told about learning how to prepare for work, what to learn, how to learn, maybe what is what you should learn and what you shouldn't, and and something what is most important for me, uh, why you shouldn't listen to speakers, to anyone who is telling you you have to learn this engine, this is the best engine, or you have to learn this, because a lot of I've been in a lot of situations where I saw a young person who wants to start journey in a game dev or start to learn something, and he's bombarded with fanboys that are telling this engine is the best. You have to learn it. It's the future, and there's not there's no better choice. There's always better choice, because you never ask him what you want to do, what 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 do you feel, what do you want to do in the future, what are your good or bad skills. So yeah, without asking and getting to know this person, you are pushing every engine into his throat, especially with one engine and its huge community. I would I would say that's not even the community. It's closer to cult in some ways. But I didn't tell it loud. Yeah. So, getting back to my notes. This is. Mm, whoa. Oh, dialogue data. Okay. So this is like that. So dialogue data. No, it's working. Basically, I can remove everything. Almost everything. Why? Oh, it's this one. Why are you screaming at me? Wait. Why I'm not sending this window? Basically, I have to go with public overrides. It's not overridable? Really? Wait. Wait, come back. I want to leave this factory. It has to stay here. This has to go here. Of course, move to editor view. But why in it? It's not overridable. Yeah, it is. Oh, this type. Okay. Right. So I'm passing this window, but this editor needs a direct window. I can do it like that. No one will see it. Telling that, I'm feeling Michael's breath on my back. That he will come here and clean everything up.
Yes, I will.
So notes, editor inspector, of course, edit. Great. Okay, so this is done. It's done. I have to. Wait, this base node editor, I think, firstly, yeah, this, no, it's not this one. Is this one? Yeah, it's this one. So basically I can delete this editor. Okay, and now I can clean up the rest of that. So let's move to neg nodes. Okay, so transition view from to beautiful. I will clean it from to. Okay, of course. Everything should be almost fine. How to run automatic cleanup of code? So I want to apply every suggestion. How to do it?
Oh, it's probably somewhere in the refactor tab.
Wait, so I should go with refactor.
Oh, you don't have the oh.
So I go with
Does
like that.
okay. Look at the code tab then.
Okay.
Code and let's see. Uh, not inspect reformat code probably.
Okay. Now,
No. Okay, maybe reformat and clean up then.
full cleanup.
Yes.
Oh, I
Maybe
can
not
go.
the whole solution.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Thank
I
you
knew it was
very
somewhere.
much. I know you knew it. This is why I asked you for that. Mm. So I've got my dialog main file editor. Okay. And here I've got everything. Okay. Here I've got my I don't need this create GUI. I don't need this one. On selection change, it's also unnecessary. So basically, it should work. It's the wrong version of.
Oh no.
Okay, so for now, it's going like that. When I will fix my source tree, I will clean it up. I promise. Let me maybe leave to do play uncomment. Let's go back here. Unity, come on. I believe in you. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. Wait. Why is it working? Where errors? Where compilation errors? That's illegal. Mm-hmm. Okay. So we are here. Let's try anything. So let's go with data. Where was it? Oh, it was in resources. So I've got my dialogues. Okay, so I've got my dialogues. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Oh yeah, of course it's missing layout assets. Uh, of course it's this one because those resources should be moved somewhere else and renamed. That is the most important part. It should be renamed. So in my libraries, I have to go to nodes, and let me create a folder that's called resources, of course. So basically I have to so speaker node I should left untouched. Dialog speaker prefab speaker part node should be left. So dialogs editor, those dialogs editor and style sheets should be moved and should be renamed to what? I wrote it somewhere here. Note. Okay, so rename and rename. So I can close you, and now you will work just fine. Everything will be fine. So element dialog inspector view has no registered factory. Okay, so basically too simple to fix errors. Dialog inspector view. Wait. What are you talking? You have dialog inspector view has registered factory methods. Wait. Is it because of that? No. So basically, I'm loading this asset path, of course, and wait. Should I drop beautiful assets and should I do it from code? Simply. I think it will be better. So basically, I have to create split view. This will be new split view. Okay. Okay. And to root visual elements, I should add the split view. Okay. And now I can go with split view. How can I set those planes? Content container.
Wait, what do you want to do?
I want to create my split view from code and fill it with items. But I have no idea how to fill content of those.
Okay, the split view should have property called something plain, I think. And if it doesn't contain that, then whoa. Then you need to just add two children. Oops.
I don't like it. I really don't like it. Can I go with this? And it will be protected protected abstract void fill split view, and it will be two plane split view. Okay, so basically this will be left untouched. Here I will go with fill split view, passing my split view, and rest of that should be left untouched. Yeah. So now I have to implement this method here. Okay. Almost perfect. So I have to create new dialog inspector view. Var inspector view, of course. And now I want to go with view. So you told something about plane.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's placed in front.
No. That's definitely not it. Okay, so to plane view doesn't have. Then you just add two children and that's
So
it.
I'm adding as a child of content container, right?
I mean, you can just directly add because the content container is the element itself.
Okay.
So, I mean, as you saw when you access the content container, you had property content container, yes? So
Yeah.
the content container is the destination for where the children are placed, because sometimes you don't want the children to be placed as your direct children by default. You want them further along in the hierarchy.
Okay.
So this is the feature of UI toolkit, and I can double check the thing, the play, like how do you access the panes of two pane view or split view, however is it called, because I I actually implemented this feature in Lithium, so I have this code. Just give me a second. So Lithium UI, yes. And from the Lithium UI, we want runtime, common, and split area. Okay, so this is how I. Yes, and okay.
Wait.
So you just add 2 children, yes. That is what you need to do.
Uh, something not yes. Uh, there is something wrong. Uh, basically,
Al uh, also
I'm
there's
adding inspector view, right, and graph view,
graph view, yes.
and I don't have an option to wait. Let me check something. Mm, I want to go with my debugger. I want to start with data center. Okay, so I've got my two. Oh, so is it because why there's only one item?
Okay, so you didn't specify anything. Okay.
But have I? Do I have to somehow set the split view so make it anchored?
No, okay, so one thing you can add. What do you want to do?
Uh, I don't know where the second one is. I think it's. Oh, it has zero height, but
It's on the. It's actually on the right.
its
It's
height.
like squeezed into 0 pixels. So one thing you can try, because split view works this way. It has the side panel and you has the main view. Yes. So when you're creating the split view, you can specify some things when you create the split view. Yes. Okay. So you can use the how is it called? I mean, it's the second argument. So for the first argument, you want to pass 0 because you want the. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, it's the index. The first argument is the index of the main panel, basically, and the second argument is the initial size of the second panel.
So
So it's like the I think minimum size, something like that. You could call it. No, you don't have width on in this point in time. I you don't. uh, I mean, you can use this, but
what? It would work.
I mean, I don't think so. But you can try. Oh, it did.
So basically, wait, but why am I not able to move it? Oh,
Wait, you're not able?
no.
That's unfortunate. But why though? I mean, I was testing it feature, it should be working. I mean, I used this many times, so like, did they break it? That would be stupid.
I don't know. I think maybe is something. Mm, maybe something with filling items. Maybe something. Oh, maybe this fill is set not properly. No
Wait,
event
what is set?
debugger.
What is set not properly?
Maybe some fill flex. Maybe it's because as you can see here, it's set very tightly to fill to this longest text is almost squished. So maybe it's something like that.
Oh, okay. So this is the dialog inspector view. Yes, that's the one.
Yeah.
Uh, oh, the width of the element doesn't look promising, actually. In the debugger, can you uh, reset the width property or set it to auto
Mm,
below? Yeah,
oh, auto.
because none px is not the uh, optimal width of the element, as you may imagine.
No, it's still not working.
Hmm, that's interesting. I I believe it may have something to do with this element not resizing further. But I would have to debug it myself.
Yeah. Something is very not yes.
Yeah.
I hate those situations. Hmm. Give me one moment. I have to answer one quick message. Getting back to code to work. Okay. So basically, I think I will leave it like that. Uh, no, it has to be raw. Uh, this whole split view. It has to be somewhere. Uh, but I think I will fix it later. So basically, let's leave it like that. It's working almost. But where are nodes? Wait, where are all nodes? That's something I didn't want. I wasn't prepared to see. So yeah. Okay. So I've got some object reference that set instead of an object. Okay. In my Shapu, welcome on the stream. Basically, we're streaming on Friday and Saturday in English, but on Mondays I'm streaming in Polish. So if you want to hang out or something, you can come in a Mondays on Polish streams. Basically, I will leave you some small ad. All streams in English are on our channel, our vault, where you can catch up with our. Yeah, of course you're right, as always. But I will leave this meme on this Discord channel. Okay, so basically, what is not working? Where you have this not set. Wait, are you telling me that add element? Oh, so it's in add element in unities. Okay, I have no line. Where is it? So wait, is it this node? So this override. Oh, I think that's right. That's the place. Let me quickly add this debug to okay. So wait, why I'm playing press? I don't need to start my. Wait. Now it's working. Let me. Oh. So here I've got my notes. Yeah, those data are not set. So basically, this switch is very syntax sugar switch. So if I will write code, so if node data is type of basically this one, then return something, and in else it will be that data, return data, else return null. So basically it's almost the same. If this data here has type of speaker part data, it will do something. But if it's not, if this type is not the same, it will simply write to this variable dialog step null. So it's very very compact way to write something like that. Okay, so I've got this. I have to somehow set this data in the code, but from code, I don't want to set it manually. It has to be done automatically. I'm never letting myself to work with code where something has to be done manually. I'm a fan of automatic everything. So how to do it in a best way? C++ better forever. Yeah, as a fan of C++, C++ was my second language. So basically, yeah, C++ was my second language, and now I switched to Unity. Why I'm not in Unreal? I had this I thought about it for quite a long time, and basically, I love this option to easy expand possibilities for Unity. I like it. I like this whole scriptable render pipeline and workflow in Unreal, where you write one. Okay, so I will make it quieter. Or can I can't. So basically, I will remove it for now. I can do it like that, and I can right like that. I can make it quite here. So I thought about switching to Unreal, but every calling something on null will crash Unreal. Much bigger engine. Any change to render pipeline, I saw that it's very painful to do, especially when with Unity in scriptable render pipeline. So for me, it was a very easy choice. What is more, I work with Unity for about 10 years. I know Unity for 10 years. So switching engine now wouldn't be something that will be beneficial for me. to be honest, Unity after those changes, after adding dots, after polish in scriptable render pipelines, VFX graph, and so on. For me, it's good enough. And to be honest, I'm not hating Unreal, but default graphics from Unreal, this plastic vibe, is so ugly for me. To be honest, I hate it. I hate it even more than default Unity's UI. Yeah, I know that forgetting about checking the null, the pointer is if it's not, it's a skill issue. That's true. I'm totally agreeing with you. So yeah, but after working in a studio where crunch was something that's normal, I think I'm feeling better when I don't have to be so focused on checking something after working for 20 or more hours straight. Yeah. But of course, hello, 5G technician. Sorry, I didn't welcome you. Okay, let me quickly fix that. When I'm creating nodes, so basically here, I'm creating node, but wait, it's the data should be coming from another place, so it's coming from here. Yeah, so I'm creating node data. Okay, let's go to implementation. Of course. Oh. Can I simply create new baseline data and it will work? So basically, it's we have Michael. Those are defines. Do I remember correctly? So basically,
They're like not really defines. They're like the closest thing in well, this works like preprocessor in C++.
yeah. So basically,
Wait,
if
we have exactly the same thing in C++. Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah,
that's
that's
it's the simplified version because you I don't think you can do as complex expressions as in C++, but yeah, it's the simplified version of the same construct in from C++.
basically for me, it means that I can cut out code that is only need in editor or for my editor purposes to some maybe Windows or some caching data, and I can very easily cut out. Yeah, exactly. Very lazy copy. Thank you for follow, Shapu. Okay, I think I'm done for today. I had quite a long day, to be honest. I have one project, that one quite big project on my head that I have to finish as soon as possible. So I will be ending this stream. Tomorrow, Michael, will you be able to make a stream?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, I will.
So tomorrow, Michael will do something for you, and on the Mondays, I will be back on Polish stream. I think we'll have fun with tanks that can curve bullets. Yeah, this is one of my projects. You can curve bullets when firing from tank. So yeah, thank you very much for your attention. I hope you maybe learned something, or you just spent a nice time. See you soon and have a good weekend. See you soon and bye.
Bye.